Hey, I'm back again. I'm going to do a bit of an update on the T-Bone Tremolo. It's been sitting on the guitar for almost a week now, and it's been working great. There's been no issues with the mounting and no issues with the strings or anything snapping or breaking. That's awesome. So far it's 100% running flawlessly. But what I did want to do is I wanted to try different string gauges and the different springs so that I can offer a few different options for players that might want something stiffer or something softer, you know, something maybe that's more akin to a soft touch by Reverend. So I've been trying out a few different springs. I was using a Bigsby spring, free length, sitting just loose, just over an inch and 3/16, and a set of 11s on this guitar. That's what I started with, and it was pretty stiff. It worked, and it had the snapback was really fast and really good, super responsive, but you had to work the arm a bit, and that was a concern. Plus it was sitting a little high. It was sitting almost 3 inches off the face of the body, which is pretty high, and I thought I want to get that down, but I also want something that was a little softer. So I went to 10s this morning, set it up, and I put in a different spring by a different company from McAllister Car. I've been sourcing different springs there based on the max load and the spring rate. That's a whole other conversation to have. And so what I've come up with is a really, really nice, responsive, medium soft or medium feel on the arm. And that's really, where you're going to feel it the most anyways, is off of the arm. And I'm really liking it. It snaps back really well. It responds just as quickly as the other spring setup with the other strings. These are the 10s, the Slinkies by Henry Ball. That's typically what I use most of the time. And with this new spring. And I think it's probably very close to a Reverend. It doesn't take a lot to get it to actuate. And it does also drop the arm down nicely. We're just at about 2 inches off of the face, so we're saving a good 3/4 of an inch of travel and of reach. The other thing guys have been asking about is, am I going to be putting a bend in the arm so that it becomes more of a parallel position off the face? Definitely something that can be looked at. That's the great thing about this this setup, because I'm the manufacturer and I build these one at a time. I can start tweaking some of these aspects as per what customers may look for. Then they can become options down the road. So I could obviously have a bent arm, or I can have a straight arm, because I'm not doing mass production. These aren't issues. These are actually positive aspects to going the boutique route. So that's basically all I wanted to talk about. Just give you an idea. I want to thank all the guys on the Guitars Canada forum and on the TDPRI Telecaster forum for weighing in on what they use for strings. It's really helped me find a good balance, and just having the really great conversations about the this wonderful tremolo called the T-Bone. And I look forward to hearing from you. If you have any thoughts or questions and things that you may want to see on the tremolo, please let me know and we can have that conversation. You have a good day. Bye.